Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, I have another great holiday themed tech tip for you guys. So you've all seen my videos about how important multi-factor authentication or two-factor authentication is, and it completely is, especially in the workplace. However, 2FA and MFA is not just something you should have set up for your business accounts. You can also use MFA for personal things like your Amazon account, PayPal, Venmo, or your Target, or wherever you're doing your online shopping this year. Make sure you turn on 2FA in those accounts as well, because people can still target personal accounts. It's not just business entities that these bad guys are going after, especially during the holiday season when people are doing more shopping, they're getting more emails, they're getting more notifications. You're not quite as on guard as you normally are when you're already getting so many emails from these types of entities like Amazon. So stay super aware, get that 2FA turned on for business and personal accounts wherever you can. I hope you guys stay safe and have a great week. As always, for more information, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel and feel free to reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week, everyone.